After about 16 hours in the crock pot, the chicken stock is ready to strain. Now I'm pouring it slowly here to begin with because the crock pot has a wide fucking rim on it, and anything with a wide rim like this, it's going to follow the bottom edge of the pan, and that's what I was just doing there. And now that there's less liquid in here and it kind of cascades and waterfalls over the edge a little bit better, I can pour it a little more freely. And I'm just using this spoon here to hold back all the big fucking chicken parts and shit that I don't want to flop right into there. And that's about it, my friends. This went for like 16 fucking hours, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at this golden fucking color on this. You're not going to get this kind of chicken stock in the store, let alone the beautiful fat and flavor that came off this. I mean, this is absolutely gorgeous. This is where life comes from. This is where good food comes from. Like, look at that. It's so golden and rich and deep in color. And all that fat's going to rise. Do not throw that fucking fat away, guys. I know that everybody's like, low fat this, low fat that. It's bullshit, okay? Fat keeps you healthy. That fat cap on top that's going to solidify, put it in your fucking soups, use it to saute with, every fucking thing. Noodle dishes. I mean, it's absolutely delicious. Your stuffing is going to be phenomenal if you use that chicken fat. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait for Thanksgiving Day. Look at that beautiful, rich color. Make your own food, my fucking friends. Your life depends on it.